In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp even when you are online. So you want to open up your WhatsApp. You want to click on the bottom right on your settings. Then you want to click on privacy right here, and then you see this first option that says last seen and online. You want to click on that, and you need to make sure that it's on nobody and who can see when I'm online, and then have that on everyone, and that's basically it. If you say, for example, that only your contacts see your last seen and same as last seen, it means that if you don't share your last seen and online, you won't be able to see others people last seen and online. So if you don't have it, you won't be able to see it from other people. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.